Hello, all. Happy Monday. Happy April. Just wanted to check in with you guys and roll out our next week of information. Happy breakfast week. First and foremost, I just wanted to check in with you guys and give you a little shout out. I know there was a lot of changing information last week, a lot of decisions being made about the remainder of our semester. And now that we know that we will not be going back in person in school for the rest of the semester, just trying to shift and adjust and make the rest of our new temporary normal online, make the best of it. We're all in this together. This is new for all of us. We're all learning together. And all that we ask is you guys just try your best. My heart is broken for my seniors. Shout out to you guys. I'm so sorry that your high school career is ending like this. So please reach out. Let me know what you guys need. Definitely thinking about our spring athletes right now, you guys not being able to have your seasons, and overall just everybody. I know this is a huge adjustment. There's a lot going on in the world, and I say it always, being a teenager and being a student right now is one of the hardest jobs, and now we just have this extra layer to kind of cope with. And I know learning online and trying to teach yourselves and try to manage yourselves is not easy to do for anyone. So hang in there. Please let me know what you need academically and personally. Reach out. Keep up the good work. Keep talking to your teachers. Keep trying your best. We got this. Just one day at a time, one class at a time. We're going to be okay. We're all in it together. Okay. So moving forward for catering, again, probably one of the least ideal ways to be able to do this online, since it is such hands-on, such in the kitchen. And this is my most favorite week, is breakfast week. So apologies that you all aren't cooking every single day this week with us, but we have hopefully made a good alternative. So going through the agenda, today is Monday. You guys are listening to this. You are logged on. You guys are going to review your assignment. Looking at the rest of the week, you guys have an assignment. Everybody is going to do part 1 here. So looking at topics this week, everybody is going to do part 1, and I will show you this assignment in a minute. And then for part 2, you guys get to choose. Okay, so that's what this Tuesday is talking about. Start with the weekly cooking log assignment. Everyone's going to watch videos, everyone's going to take notes, and then you guys get to choose option 1 or option 2, whether you're going to cook if you're able, and if you're not able to or you don't want to, that's why we have option 2, which is going to be notes, quiz, or cleaning. Okay. Friday the 10th was already scheduled as a non-student contact day. So my goal is for you guys to be able to finish this today through Thursday this week. And then Friday, do something for yourselves. Get outside, FaceTime somebody that you can't hang out with right now that you'd like to talk to, do a craft, draw, read, write, do an in-home workout, go for a walk, spend time with your pets, watch a good movie, play some video games, take a nap, meditate, do whatever you guys need to do just to take care of yourselves this week. Okay? So going through our topics this week, again, breakfast week, I will show you this assignment. Everyone's going to do part 1, and then you guys get to choose for part 2, either cooking or notes, quiz, and cleaning. So also posted on Google Classroom, here is this assignment. So part 1, you're going to watch the videos that are linked in your assignment about each of these breakfast items. Since we can't be with you, since you're not doing all of this in the class, since we're not demoing any of this, we have videos. Okay. So answer the questions in complete sentences and then move on to part 2. So again, everybody's doing part 1. French toast. here's your video. Here are your questions. Fluffy pancakes, here's your video. Here are your questions. Crepes, here's your video. Here are your questions. Waffles, here's your video. Here are your questions. And then types of eggs. Okay, fried eggs, scrambled eggs, or omelet. Watch it from where the link starts, and then questions. For section 3, you're either watching the video about egg cooking or the videos about biscuits and gravy. Okay, so eggs are here, biscuits and gravy right here. Okay, then part 2, you get to choose one, only choose one of the following 2 options. The first option is cooking. Prepare any two of the 6 breakfast recipes, okay? All recipes are posted on Google Classroom under weekly cooking option 1. So I will post all of these recipes. You pick 2 of them. Tell me which recipes you are cooking, and then make sure you're taking pictures like you always would of a makeup lab, mise en place, midway, final product. Then you're answering your evaluation questions. That's one option. Your second option is, and you're again just picking one, notes and cleaning. Complete the set of notes that are posted under weekly cooking option 2. Notes are posted with a guide to fill in, and then pictures from the book that will go hand in hand with the note guide. Turn in those notes, and then you are taking a short quiz on Socrative. Socrative.com, the room code is PREB6, and then take it as many times as you need to get 100% with your notes from your experience. Then the second half of option 2, should you pick option 2, is cleaning. Okay, we know that cooking is not the only thing that happens in a restaurant, in a commercial kitchen. There's also cleaning involved. So after a meal, volunteer to do the cleaning by hand, no dishwashers, okay? As you would at school, clean, sanitize, and put away the dishes and all the equipment yourself. Include 3 pictures, again, of the mess, midway point, and the cleaned equipment, just so we know that you did it. Attach the pictures right here, okay? So again, everybody is doing part 1, watching the videos, answering the notes on breakfast cookery. Then you are choosing one of the following 2 options. You are cooking 2 of the 6 recipes that I will post. Let me know what it is. Make sure you're taking pictures, and here are the questions. Or you are going to do notes, quiz, and cleaning, attached photos to earn that credit. Okay? You guys have this week to complete that. Just a refresher on the agenda for the week. Please reach out to me with any questions, comments, or concerns. Just a heads up to let you guys know where we are going. Next week is our beef unit. We know, again, it's difficult for people to shop right now. We want you to be safe and be at home, and we know that there are ever-changing dynamics in the household, and things are limited. So we will continue to move forward with different options for you guys to get your full points that aren't always just cooking. Okay, we miss you. I miss being with all of you guys. I know this is hard for teachers as well. We are all adjusting. We are all learning. So hang in there. Really just try your best. Keep communicating, and we're going to get through this. Okay, happy breakfast week. I hope you guys get to enjoy some time, some good meals this week, and I will talk at you very soon. Thanks so much. Have a good week. Bye-bye.